Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this super cute and easy Sanrio Chigiri bread paper squishy. They are like really easy to make and they turned out super cute. So if you want to see how to make one of these, let's get into the tutorial. First of all, take a white paper and fold it in half. Then you are going to take a pencil and sketch out the design of your Chigiri bread Sanrio paper squishy. I'm doing a kuromi. You can do any of the characters of Sanrio. So when your sketch is all done like mine, you are going to start coloring and make sure to not outline it with a black pen or marker because it will not look like really realistic. So the kuromi Chigiri Sanrio bread paper squishy is like the color of black. So I'm outlining it with black. Make sure to not outline it with a black marker. If you're making my melody, you have to outline it with a pink one. And now I'm going to color in with black marker. And while you are coloring in, you are going to make sure you're erasing because my markers are like alcohol. So if we do them on the sketch marks, it is not going to be erased. So make sure of that. So I have done coloring it, so now I am going to laminate it with tape and do the back side as well, like that. And now cut it out and cut the ear separate. Now take a white piece of paper and with the help of scale make 2 lines like that, and now laminate it with tape and cut it out. But make sure to cut these sides and attach them together with tape like that. Now take a small piece of tape and make small cuts on it like that, and now take the stripe and fold the tape cuts on it and repeat the step. Now do the back side as well like I'm doing and leave a hole at the end so that you can stuff it with stuffing like that. And now you are going to stuff it with cotton or plastic bags. If you want your squishy to be really squishy, you have to fill as much as you can. And now close it up with tape and your paper squishy is done. Now you are going to attach the ears with tape like that. And it's done. Now I'm making one more, so I'm making in front of you so that you can also know how to make this one as well. So I'm doing a pom-pom pudding and it is I think the hardest shape. I don't know why. So that's why I'm making it in front of you. Now when you're done with the whole sketch like that, then you are going to color it. I'm using a brown for the eyes and the mouth, and I'm also going to color in the head in brown and the paws as well. like that. Now for the bow, I'm doing a pink, like a light pink. Now take a dark yellow and outline it all, because today we are not using a black marker for outlining it, so that's why you are going to use a dark marker, like that. Do the arms as well, and it should look something like that. Now take a lighter shade of yellow and color in. Now when it's all done, you are going to laminate it with tape. Do the back side as well and cut it out. And now make the two lines and laminate it and cut the sides as well as I told you. And then cut it out and attach them with tape. Now take a small piece of tape and make some small cuts on it and fold the cuts on the stripe like I'm doing, and do the steps again. Now do the back side as well and leave a hole at the end so that you can stuff it. And close it up with tape. And your paper squishy is done. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.